Today, we will observe A+ masterclass level setups, talk about how to find specific trade entries. Of course, we will keep using our best indicator with our best momentum-based scalping strategy. There are so many subjects to discuss today. If you are ready, shall we begin? I think it is a good day to talk about this magnificent coin called Turbo. Yesterday and today it was just a superior day for the bull traders. I hope that you enjoyed it as well. By using our indicator ICT high time frames candles, we were able to analyze the entry locations. The coin gave us a total of 3 amazing entry areas, all thanks to our indicator. It all started right at the bottom with a multi-top location consisting of multi-time frame imbalances. Then the same thing happened above. And then the same thing happened one more time. As you can see, a repetitive pattern keeps following each other, one after another, the way I teach in the masterclass. If we just open the 5-minute charts on the left, and by using these horizontal lines, we can see how the 3 rallies started. So, we know how the 3 rallies ignited. Now let's talk about the entry models. Let me observe the price section in close action, starting with the rally number 1, the bottom rally. Notice how the price sweeps inner liquidity and taps the inner imbalance. This is how the price fills up in the price action world. And then small structure shifts. Even if you jump the trade very late, it's still tradable 2 are here. Now notice the second rally. Price sweeps inner equal lows and taps this inner imbalance for the fill. And again, structure shifts one more time. This again can give you a 2-hour setup. This time our future target is actually an institutional level, PDH, the previous day high. Finally, let's talk about the third rally. Notice what we have here. A SAR flip location combined with a PDH amplifier as your entry, plus an inner imbalance as well. And you will see the microstructure break or a price switch here. Another 2-hour trade shot. This time our future target will be the PMH, the previous month high. Now all these 2-hour setups are great, but actually these are not easy to build. Not every one of you will be able to build setups like this in the micro time frames. Then what else can you do? If you have trouble with micro setups, just go back to building these gigantic setups in our overall entry locations. Your entries does not need to be specific. These gigantic setups will have a very large stop losses, so you will not be instantly stopped out. So what is the advantage of these mega setups? First of all, you will be trading much less. It will prevent your over trading habits because you will be in a position in a longer time and wait. And you will not be instantly stopped out. You can just go and relax, make yourself a coffee or cook a meal or something. Let the trade play out, win or lose. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you improved your trading skills, but you need more, an extra, a boost, and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You will learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. We will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will learn how to confirm your entries with Magic Alignment System. Finally, you will discover a strategy called YOYO Strategy, which will open new doors for you about taking and managing trades. If you are interested, you